Hello everyone, so welcome back to Silent Light Healing, and let us start with the messages from your spirit guides. I get starting with a new journey as your channelized message. Maybe you have started with a new journey, you are on a new journey. Okay, it's time for new beginnings, and something new is coming up for you in your connection with your person, new beginnings with your person, new connection, maybe new person. If you are waiting for a new offer, the new offer is going to come soon to you. Okay. We have, oh my goodness. Okay, so the card fell. We have Seven of Swords. Your person might be saving himself or maybe herself. Okay, it's not a gender based reading. Okay, whatever the gender is, so they were saving themselves from the, from the, they were not ready for the connection or something, because they were saving themselves from the past hurt. They were not ready to, they were not willing to, okay, take responsibilities of a committed relationship. Maybe they were not ready to, face the same challenges that they might have faced in the past, and so they were saving themselves, and they were just safeguarding their heart. They were just trying to protect themselves, protect their heart. They were trying to make a shield, protective or protection shield around their heart and around their soul. Okay, they were not, so till now your person was not ready with for the committed relationship or something. They were not ready to give you a new start, or they were not ready to, offer you with love and respect and care and everything. Sorry, even if they were in love with you, they were not ready to do it for you, because they were afraid of the past hurt or past trauma. As I say that, we have the Nine of Wands. Maybe nine number is important. Nine is, maybe September was important. Okay, so ninth month is important, nine number is important, 9 hours, nine days, nine ninth month, as I said. Okay, so 9 weeks might be important for you. So number nine is important. They were afraid of the, of facing the same hurdles and challenges, as I said. So they were not ready to show faith in a new committed relationship. Fine, we have Queen of Cups. They were quite aware about the fact that you are full of emotions. Okay, maybe you were aware, maybe your person was aware about the fact that your person, or maybe their person, is full of emotions for themselves, and um, they are loyal, they are having a beautiful soul, beautiful heart, soft hearted, and they are having pure intentions. But still I'm not able to do justice to them, just because I'm healing my past wounds, and that is the reason why they stepped back. Okay, next we have is, maybe they just wanted to, they did not ghost you or something, but maybe it felt like ghosting you, but it just was the case where they were afraid about, promising you a committed relationship. Just a second, the card fell. So we have Knight of Cups. They are coming towards you. They are coming towards you. This is a confirmation. They are willing to come towards you. They are coming towards you, and with the offering you the cup of emotions. Okay, till now you were the one who was, kind of offering them with love, respect, and care, and so much of, nurturing energy is also there in the connection. The movement might be slow of your person, because they are coming in with stability and not stable energy, because they are not wanting to hurt you, as well as they are also protecting themselves. So they are wanting to take things very slow, because in the past relationship they have faced a lot of hurdles. Okay, and they do not want to rush now in the new connection, okay, with you, because they want a long-term relationship, and they know that you are their person. Okay, they are just wanting to take it slow, because they do not want to spoil the matters. So be patient with them, be uh, cooperate with them. Okay, and be very much patient with them, give them the time and space they need. Okay, we have the Hermit mode. As I said, they were not ready for the connection. So Hermit mode, they chose to remain silent throughout the, the process, or maybe since a quite few months, I think. Maybe since, as I said, ninth month was important, so maybe since September they were, quiet, and they were not able to, show any reciprocation. They were staying quiet, they were not replying to your text. Maybe they have stopped completely talking to you, they ghosted you, as I said, for a few of you, or maybe something happened which was painful, but they were not trying, their intentions were not to hurt you or maybe to abandon you, but they were just trying to protect themselves, nothing else. So let us check what else do we have. Okay, the emperor energy. You somewhere you also felt that they are stepping into their power. They are becoming, a little bit egoistic. They are somewhere showing their pride, and they are becoming a leader. They are leading the connection. They are somewhere, kind of ruling over you and your emotions. Somewhere you felt that as well. So ruling over your emotions, it got very much upsetting for you. You got upset, you got very sad, okay, because of your person's energies. But it might not be the case, and if it was the case where your person was being toxic or maybe if they were being egoistic in the past, now they have learned their lessons. So that is the reason why they were quiet till some time. So now they are coming back to you after hot and cold energies or something, or maybe on and off energies. They are coming back to you. We have the moon card. So they are emotional about you. They are having feelings. They are having emotions. Okay, there is equal reciprocation. I get 1111. I don't know why. How do I get that? Because there are two pillars. There are two animals, maybe dogs, standing on both the sides. Okay, there is equal division between the two parts. That is what I'm getting. So that is 1111, balance restored in the relationship, in the connection. They are going to put in same efforts and energies in you, in the connection. They are quite emotional as well. So you got quite emotional in the past. You got much attached to them. You are still attached to them. You got obsessed over them, but due to their unfair and unreasonable behavior in the past, okay, you tried to step back and just try to remain, you know um, in your own energies. Take a stand for yourself. You just try to go with the flow, not to force the outcome or force your person. So you just were focusing on yourself. And you always knew in your heart, you already know that this is your person, and this is your search is over. Okay, this is your person. Your person also feels the same, that now they are not looking for anybody. Now you are also not looking for anybody, because your search is over. Your soulmate, or maybe your twin flame, or maybe your divine counterpart is this particular person. Okay, you feel the same for your person. Okay, so if you resonate with this, then this is your reading, and this was your specific message from your spirit guides. Fine. So yeah, so you felt the same. You waited, you were patient with them, you got emotional and obsessed, but you tried to take your power back, take a stand for yourself, and stand on your ground. So that is a very good thing, and due to that reason your person is coming back healed, and a new version of them is coming back to you. So now let us check the love messages for you. Oh my goodness, cards are falling off today. And yeah, so we have, I feel you leaving me behind. So they are now afraid of losing you. They are now afraid of your odd energies. They do not know whether they will be able to find you at the same place, okay, where they found you for the first time, or maybe they are just afraid of finding you back, or maybe welcoming you back in their life. They are afraid about the fact that whether you are going to welcome them back in your life or not, whether you are going to welcome them. Okay, I want to feel that way again. So they are missing that, whatever you made them feel like. Okay, they are missing that, your energy, your warmth, your nurturing, caring love. So I also get the word cute. Maybe that's a compliment that your person might be giving to you, or maybe you feel that your person is quite cute. Okay, their smile, their maybe I also get maybe you love their dance moves, or maybe you just love their I don't know, steps or something. Maybe you just met at dance class. So maybe you guys met at a gym, or maybe at, I don't know, but I get that. And you also love their smile, because I'm smiling a lot, okay? And that is during the tarot reading. And so I can just make out easily that that is particularly not my energy today. So if I'm doing something odd during the tarot readings, that's not usually my energy. It's the collective energy. Fine, we both know I am not the one for you. In the past they have ghosted you because of their past trauma. They were not sure whether this is your person, or maybe you are meant to be together or something. But now slowly as the time passed, they have healed themselves. They have also stepped into their feminine side. They have started to heal their soul as well. And so due to which the unhealed wounds have been healed totally completely, and now they are gradually uh, coming back to you. Their movement is quite slow, but still they are gradually understanding the connection. Yeah, that is the word, understanding the connection, ready to come back to you. But now also they are realizing the fact that you are their person. Okay, their search is over. Their, you know, they have found their person. They have found what they were looking for, maybe more than what they were looking for. And so they are happy. But in the past, this could be the reason they thought that you are not their person, because they were not ready for the commitment or the new connection. Right? I lost myself for a little while, so they lost themselves for a little while. They were not themselves because of the past trauma, as I said. Okay, you came closer than anyone else, so they ghosted you because they were not ready for a new person, coming close to them, and that is the reason why they pushed you back. Okay, this was your reading. So they pushed you because they were not ready for a commitment or not ready for a new connection relationship, and that is the reason why there were few lessons for you to learn. That is to be patient, to give them time, space. Okay, because you are dealing with a new person, not with yourself. So every new person you meet is different. Fine. So you are not ready to give them the time and space, but now slowly you have learned to be patient. They have learned to heal the wounds. You both have started to understand each other and the connection. So yeah, these were your messages. This was your reading for Sunday. So yeah, I hope you had a great Sunday, great Sunday, very happy Sunday, and a great day. So yeah, tomorrow we'll meet with a new reading, hopefully. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Thank you.